Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving the game and system permission to use your microphone, because without that nothing will work. Open your OS or console privacy panel, enable microphone access, then allow Little Nightmares 3. Once done, plug your headset into the right port and set input gain around 70–90% so others hear you clearly. Test locally with the system voice recorder or quick party chat to confirm. Doing this first avoids in-game confusion and saves time later. Now you configure audio inside Little Nightmares 3 so voice behaves predictably during play. Go to Settings, then Audio and toggle Voice Chat on. Pick your input and output device to route sound correctly. Next, choose between push-to-talk or open mic. Choose push-to-talk if you want precise control. Set the key or button. Then adjust voice volume mix and mic boost, and enable echo cancellation and automatic gain control so your teammates hear clear. A balanced speech. You finish by joining a party or match and running a live test so you confirm everyone hears you. Use the in-game test call or party mic test if available. If teammates report silence, check your mute state, player privacy settings, and the in-game mute list because those often block audio. If problems persist, restart the game, reconnect the headset, update drivers or firmware, and retoggle permissions. That sequence clears most issues quickly and gets you back to cooperative play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.